welcome back. So we are officially in the autumn season, fall as my American friends call it, and so I have decided to pick up a few basic pieces as well as some pieces that I did not have in my collection. Now I did not go crazy, you guys, because I still have lots of clothes that I haven't even worn yet, and you know, I just didn't want to go crazy and buy too many things that I wasn't going to wear. So I made sure that I picked up some basic pieces that I know I will rotate for the autumn season, and also I can wear them in sort of spring as well. So I went ahead and I shopped on PRETTYLITTLETHING. I haven't shopped there in a while. I went ahead and picked up some basic pieces as well as another piece from PRETTYLITTLETHING, and I also shopped from one of my favorite shops, ASOS, as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try these pieces on for you guys so you can see how they look on my body. So if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up, and of course comment your favorite piece. I do hope you enjoy. All right, my lovely, so the first piece I want to show you guys is this basic long sleeve khaki t-shirt, and it has a lot of stretch. This is a size 8. I love these pieces because they're transitional. You can wear them for autumn, spring, and summer, and they are just amazing basic pieces that you really need in your collection. Now I also bought this in a black because a black t-shirt is very much necessary, okay? And I love to wear dark colors for the autumn, so I went ahead and picked up the black as well, and this is what it looks like. The material is really nice and soft. It has a nice stretch and it's very comfortable fitting. I love the round neck. The sleeves are long enough. They're not too long, but they are long enough, and I love the fit of it. You can just tuck it into your trousers or your skirt and you're good to go. So basically this is one of the pieces that I really like from PRETTYLITTLETHING. They have so many amazing pieces, basic pieces on PRETTYLITTLETHING. So I would urge you to go ahead and check them out if you're looking for more affordable basic pieces. I love this. It's super comfortable, and I can see me wearing this all through the autumn season and also in other seasons as well. So that's why I went ahead and picked up the black one. I really wanted to get other colors, but I'm like, slow down, honey, slow down. So I just picked up the khaki one. It's long enough, guys, as you can see. It's long enough so you can tuck it nicely in your trousers or your skirt. And yes, I love it. It's so soft and very comfortable, as you can see. Very, very comfortable. So I love this piece. It's really, really nice, and I'm super happy that I picked up the black one as well. Okay guys, so before I take off my top, I just wanted to show you these trousers I bought. They are like a waxed material. They're like very soft and very comfortable, and this is sort of a rust color. It's quite short, so what I would do is just cuff it like that and put some boots on. It doesn't have any loops. It's a bit, I wish it had loops so I could wear a belt with it, but it doesn't have a loop, but it fits very comfortably. This is in a UK size 8, and it's quite comfortable. I love the color. It's very, very suitable for the autumn season because, you know, khakis and the rust colors and, you know, beige and those colors are usually really nice for the autumn season. It fits very well. But I just wish it had some loops that I could wear a belt, because I have to keep pulling it up just a little bit because it's not as tight as I really wanted it to be. But it's a really nice pair of trousers. Can you imagine this with a nice brown or beige or black top and some boots? Yes, honey. So these are the wax trousers. It doesn't, actually, yes, it does have pockets at the back, but at the front it doesn't have any pockets. It's sort of high-waisted as well. So I also picked up this beige body. It's a long sleeve beige bodysuit, and it also stretches quite a lot, and the material is very similar to the t-shirts, so it's very comfortable, it's very soft, and it's very stretchy. So now, as I said, these pieces are should be staple in your closet because they are so comfortable and they can be worn. They can basically be worn all year round, but more so when it's cooler. So yes, I'm going to try this bodysuit on for you guys, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. All right, my lovely, so this is what the body looks like. It's very comfortable. It's not see-through or anything, and it's just very comfortable fitting. Sleeves are quite long, and it even goes nicely with these wax colored trousers. So this is the beige body, and they come in different colors as well, so if you're interested in getting different colors like blacks, whites, khaki, then you can get those colors. But I don't have a lot of these colors in my closet, so I decided to go ahead and get the beige because white is really hard to keep clean, and you know, I just opted for something that wasn't white basically. So yes, this is the body. Okay, my lovely, so another piece I picked up, and this is from ASOS, is from the brand called Collision, is this high neck jumper right here. It's like chocolate colored. The material is quite soft, but it's not as comfortable as I'd like it to be. I love when my jumpers are very soft and comfortable. It feels like it has the potential to sort of itch my skin, but I'm just feeling it ever so slightly, but I don't know. It's quite nice. I like how it's nicely ribbed. I love the color. I can wear this with a nice beige skirt or denims or whatever. I think it would look really nicely. I love the high neck because I hate when my neck gets cold. So this is perfect for when the days are really, really cold. This will keep you nice and warm with a coat or a jacket. I think it's such a perfect color as well. I love these it's not really chocolate brown. It's sort of a cross between a khaki or brown, I'm not quite sure, but it's a nice color and it's very autumn friendly. So this is how far it goes. So basically, and you can fold down the neck as well. So this is from the brand called Collision. I have a few jumpers from them as well. They are a very big brand on ASOS, so you can go ahead and check them out. This is a nice jumper. I just love how it fits. And I have these jumpers on Shaunz boutique as well. I think I have them in black, pink, and cream. So go ahead and check out Shaunz boutique if you're looking for jumpers. We have these as well, but not in this color. So yeah, this is. Okay guys, so you know me by now. If I see something and they have them in different colors and I love them, I'm gonna buy the whole lot. So if you watched my spring haul, you would have seen this dress in sort of a blush pink sort of color, and I love the dress so much I decided to get it in the oxblood color. So this is what the dress looks like. So I love the off-the-shoulder details, you guys, and I love the puffy sleeve as the puffy sleeves as well. Is very fitting for the autumn season. And as I said, if I see something and I love it and they have different colors, of course I'm gonna get it. But you know what, guys, these things are selling out so fast on ASOS, so you have to really hurry up. You have to act fast, otherwise you can see me try them on today and then tomorrow there's nothing on their site. They sell out really, really quickly. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, I would say go ahead and get them ASAP. But yes, guys, what do you think of this dress? It's a mini dress and you can wear it with like a thigh-high pair of boots or ankle boots. It depends on how cold it is, but I would wear it with either ankle boots or thigh-high boots. And of course a jacket to throw over my shoulders when it gets a little bit too cold. But I love this dress. It's really comfortable and I love the loose fitting as well. Alright guys, last but not least is this faux leather shirt dress. Oh my goodness, this is giving me all the life I need. I love this dress. I can imagine pairing this with some really nice thigh-high boots. Yes darling, and a really big like chunky coat. Yes, it's quite warm as well because it's faux leather, but it's not heavy or anything. It fits. I feel like I'm in the 90s videos. Yeah, what you want, That's the kind of vibe I'm getting. It fits so nicely. This is a size 8 UK size. It fits really nicely. It's not too baggy. You know, sometimes shirt dresses can be really baggy and, you know, just not look flattering on the body. Not this one. This piece fits really nicely. You can open it up all the way down to here and show a little bit of cleavage. I love the material. It's quite soft and it's really nice. It has buttons down the middle. Yes darling, I love this shirt dress. It's giving me so much life and I cannot wait to style this dress. This is my favorite piece of the entire haul. This is gonna look so nice with some badass boots, guys. Oh my goodness. Yes, so this is the shirt dress. It's from a brand called Naked. I'm not very familiar with them. They are on ASOS as well. So go ahead and check out ASOS. All these three last pieces that you saw me try on, those were from ASOS. And this is my favorite of the day. I just love it so much. It makes me feel like I'm that chick. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm a badass chick in this dress. Yes, I'm getting all sorts of life. Yes, I ate it. Yes, bodied. Has a collar as well. It's got no pockets, which is fine. But yeah. Alright my lovelies, so that will do for today's video. It was very short. It was just a couple pieces that I really liked and I thought I need in my collection. So I do hope you enjoyed this quick try on haul. Please let me know what your favorite pieces were. Of course, it's this gorgeous faux leather shirt dress I'm wearing at the moment. My favorite is this piece, of course. It was also on sale, but it was selling really fast. So I'm not sure if they still have it on the site, you guys. I don't know, that they sell out so quickly. But this was my favorite piece and I do hope you know you liked it as well. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite piece is or piece was, and if you like this haul, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn the notifications on, of course. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick, short and sweet haul. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.